No.
Ride it?
No.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's go for a ride. You are watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today. Continue to leave video suggestions, but you may find what you're looking for by visiting my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab My Videos. And those are a bunch of playlists with all of my videos categorized in them to make it easier for you to navigate through. Hey guys, for those of you guys who want to get my gear like this airbag vest and help keep you safe out there on the streets, I highly recommend this, guys. A true lifesaver. For those of you guys who want to get my carbon fiber ultra lightweight helmet, camel pants, boots, gloves, leather jackets, gear, I always include links to my gear in the description and comment section of my videos. Well guys, it's time for me to part ways with this absolutely amazing 2017 Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory. I just sold it, guys. The shipper is coming to pick the bike up any moment now, but I want to give my final thoughts on this bike. I will tell you guys that this is an absolutely awesome bike. It truly is. And I know you're saying, CycleCruza, then why are you selling if it's so awesome? Well, I told you guys that I wanted to buy a new bike every year. I want to experience different bikes. You only live once, man, and time is short. Tomorrow's not promised to any of us. Like with Kobe Bryant, rest in peace, and his daughter. Oh, man, it's so sad. But, you know, like I said, you know, the next second is not promised to you. So really get out there and enjoy your life. Stay happy. And I'll tell you, motorcycles bring a lot of happiness.
Feels good. Oh, baby, I feel like the Kentucky Kid out here. Hyper boost on.
That's the main reason that I do my videos, guys, is to motivate you guys to get a motorcycle so you can have fun like I have out here. And I had a lot of fun on this bike, but I will tell you guys, I probably won't be getting another super bike or super sport for the streets. I think they're complete overkill. Honestly, that's the bike you want to have fun out here on the streets, man.
Woo! Hey, baby. It's amazing, man. I can go over. Woo! Woo! Man, look at it. Oh, shit. Look at it. Woo! Woo! Then you can rip on that throttle. This thing is sick, man.
You want a bike with a lot of torque. This bike is better suited for people who hit the track, which I will be in the future because I plan on moving closer to a track. And if I do, I'm going to get a super sport or super bike that's track only though. I'm not going to get one for the streets, man, because these bikes can bring trouble.
Woo! I got, oh, baby. Woo! See that? They can't hear me, baby. I'm riding out here like I said, like a thief in the night, baby. I think he may have caught me though. Right now. Uh-oh. Yep. I'm in trouble.
As you guys know, I got a big ticket on this bike. Out there messing around in the park, but luckily I got my Better Call Saul attorney, and he got the ticket reduced to a non-moving traffic violation. So, you know, I didn't want to press my luck, so I figured better go ahead and get rid of this bike, man. But I'll tell you that the V4 engine is what sells this bike. It's absolutely an amazing experience riding this bike. The V4 is so different from the inline 4. It's got a bit more character.
Oh, man. Woo!
absolutely amazing bike, guys. Absolutely amazing. And then it's going to a great new owner. He owns like 10 other bikes, man. He's a motorcycle enthusiast like me. He's actually an Aprilia enthusiast. He's got like 2 other Aprilias, and he absolutely loves Aprilia. All I can tell you is that I had some real good times, fun times on this bike. And I don't know if I will miss the bike, because to be honest with you, like I said, this is my most fun motorcycle. This one, I can't use the full power on this bike. You know, like I said, you got to take it to the track to really get to have fun with this bike. Yeah, you could try to have fun out here on the streets, but it's just gonna get your license taken away. Put you in jail with the booty warrior, man. But yep, she's got to go.
What do you do? Flew up here and rode it?
What's that?
You flew up here and rode it, huh?
No, he didn't ride it. He just checked it out. He flew up here, checked it out, and
You didn't ride it?
no.
Really?
Nah,
weird.
he didn't like the cold. He's from Texas, so he was like, man, he couldn't take the cold weather, so.
Really?
Yeah. It's gone. It's crazy, man. It's been a long time since I had only one bike. But I tell you, this is an absolutely amazing bike, man. But it's time for the next new motorcycle to have fun and share the experience with on my channel. So stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe to my all-in-one motorcycle channel. Thumbs up. Check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto, where I customize a van for my motorcycle so I can live in my van with my motorcycle and travel across the country anywhere. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bug Out Moto.